You know, this now come out now.
Yeah, this is a cover. It's a cover.
Where they find out?
Yeah, you don't know what it is. Guys, what's up? We're here in Ocho. We're making a delivery. We're delivering an actual restaurant, guys. All the boxes you see here, all of these, they're going to build a restaurant. And guess what? They asked us to ship their items here to Jamaica. And we're so happy. We're in Ocho actually. It's in the night, but we're making delivery. We're going to please all our customers, right? So if you have the big items, we're going to ship them for you. If you have a small, medium size, large business, no problem at all. We'll ship the items for you. And guess what? We give a discount on the shipping for all of these large items. So don't worry yourself about the cost. We have them covered. Alright guys, we're here. As you can see, we're unpacking the truck now. I gotta go check off. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Yeah, right check them out. If you have light on, you have light inside? Yeah man, just bring it right as I'm come check them out. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Guys, what's up? We're here.
So, what
We're on a...
this,
Yeah man, this is going upstairs, right? Let me show you something. Come on. This is surf on the side. This is just shipped a restaurant, guys. Tony. Hola.
Man, come on, yo, man, them stand up somehow.
Pressure away.
Stand up and keep up.
He like. You alone there? Alright. Camera lady, why not help me? Guys, come over here.
Voila, no luck.
Oh, guys, what's up? What's up, guys? We're here making a delivery, guys. Listen, if you have a small, medium, or large business, we can help you with the logistics needs. We will ship the items from overseas and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica. If they're small items, if they are large items, if they are medium-sized items, don't worry yourself. We're going to ship them, clear customs, do all of that headache and hassle. When your items come delivered to you here in Jamaica, right? We're actually in Ultras making a delivery of these big items, alright? So guys, listen. There's a link somewhere, maybe in the description box. Go ahead, click the link, join us today. If you're a business owner, do not miss this opportunity. You are going to be able to ship and get 30% discount on your shipping charges. So please, go ahead, sign up, join us now. We are on the delivery trail. It's night, but it no matter. We're going to deliver your items to your doorstep. We're going to take the hassle out of shipping. We're going to handle all of your logistics needs. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.